I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. So today we'll be working with Tinashe here. See, they did send me the 20 inches lace frontal layered wig, and in 200 density, guys. 200 density. I mean, look at it. See how beautiful it is. Look at the layers, guys. See. And if you order from them, not just ordinary the wig, so you get a gift. Also, gift comes in this satin bag. So let's see. So you have a bonnet, a big bonnet. It's actually a big hair friendly, and then you have a hair clip. You also have a wig cap. You have edges brush, and you have a straw comb as well. And I think there's one more thing. Guess what? It's lashes, guys. You have a 3D lashes. So you have gift when you order from them. So, and it's 200 density lace frontal 13 by 4 to 20 inches, and it's 200 density, guys. So watch me how I install it, how it looks this beautiful. And yeah, so if you want to know how I achieve this look, sit down and watch me install this wig. So this is the package, and yeah, this is the wig, guys. There's a 20 inches, guys. That's the wig. Yeah, so first I'm just gonna cut the excess lace out on the ear part. So I'm just gonna cut that out, and then we get right into the video.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise if you hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. About others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe.
So this is how the wig turns out, guys, and yeah, we are finally done, and this is the final look, guys. So what do you guys think? Drop a comment below, tell me what you guys think about this wig. This wig is giving me good vibes. It's so beautiful, guys, so tell me what you think. And yeah, so no baby hair, just want a natural look, and no baby hair, no drama baby hair. And tell me what you guys feel. This is layered wigs, and yeah, so look at the layers, guys. See, can you guys see this? Let me move back a bit for you guys to see. Let me move back a bit. See? So tell me what you think. Drop a comment below. Tell me what you think. All the details you guys need to know will be in the description box. So click on it and see, guys. And there will be a code if you guys want to get some money off your order, guys. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.